Great day to you. My name is Miguel Ángel Rosero Ballesteros. Present Facebook Cats, analysis, um, problems. 1. Information standards. 2. Far in company store price. 3. Bad relation between employee management. 4. Mass employee resignation. Cause. Filtering of user personal data. 2. Bad company management. Bad design or use of story reports of value and duration. And 4. Classification of discrimination of former employees. Consequence: the bad reputation of the company. 2. Love of money and the potential investor. 3. Poor work environment and performance. 4. Love of selling war machine. Thank you.